Hey guys, this is Darron. You're about to watch a video from my full stack React Native course on Udemy. The course has a total of 5 projects ranging from beginner to expert. You will learn everything from styling to Redux to Node.js to Mongo Atlas to authentication. I am posting half of each project on YouTube. And if you like what you see, you can view the rest of the course on Udemy. And make sure you use the promo code GeekMODE. Take care. Hey guys, so our next component we're going to create is our Newsfeed component. This component will allow us to see all of our articles on one screen. Before we build our Newsfeed component, let's open our globals file. Within our globals, we're going to add another comment style. That's going to be our page container style. Within our page container, we're going to give our background color the value of background color. Let's go ahead and just copy the background color that we have within our colors and apply it. We're going to add margin top and give that the value of 0. Padding top, we're going to give that the value of 20. Our margin horizontal, give that the value of 0. And our padding horizontal, we'll add the value of 10. Okay, awesome. Now within our components, let's add our newsfeed directory. Within our newsfeed folder, we're going to create our index.js file and our styles.js file. Our newsfeed component is going to be a class component. So let's go ahead and import our component from React. Import our prop types. Let's import our view component from React Native. Let's import our article component that we created in the last video. Import our small text component. Let's import our articles that we created at the beginning of this tutorial and our styles, which we have yet to create. Type in export default, our component name, which is Newsfeed, extends component, add our brackets, before our Newsfeed, default, export default class, Newsfeed. Add our render function. Within our render, we're going to add our return. Let's go ahead and import our globals as well. So let's use our view tag, our view component, and add our style prop. And let's use our common style that we just created, our page container. Okay, lovely. Add our curly brackets between our view components. And now we're going to add some logic to our screen. So our articles that we just imported, our articles are an array. So we're going to map through our array. So each article, and we're going to have, for our articles, we're going to have the instance of an article, and we're going to add our index property to that as well. Create an arrow function, and add our brackets. And let's return our article component and there's a few other props we're going to add to our article component as well. Our key, which is standard for when you're using the map, our date, our image URL, and our styling. Okay. Our key is going to have the value of index. Our date, or the value of article, dot date. Our title, or the value of article, dot title. Article dot description. Article dot author. Our index will also have the value of index. Because we have yet to create our onPress function, we're going to go ahead and just add a anonymous function that returns nothing. And also within our styles, we're going to add styles dot news item. Okay, let's not forget to add our image URL as well. Image URL. Let's add our styling. Let's type in news item. Our news item is going to have the margin, bottom, value equal to 7. Its width will be equal to 97%. Our border width will be 0.5. Our border color will be black. Now, let's import our article component, not our articles, our newsfeed component into our app.js file. Just delete everything that you see here. We're going to import React from React, import our newsfeed component, from source/components/newsfeed. Type in const app arrow function export default app return. We're going to return our newsfeed component. Now we may or may not have to refresh our terminal, but let's go ahead and do that anyways. So we're going to stop our node server and run npm and start. Okay. Now if we refresh our emulator, awesome. Things are looking good. I'm going to have to change this color. I'll make sure I do that in the next video. Right now when we press our articles, we're not redirecting anywhere. And that's because we haven't added our URL. Well, we haven't created our modal component. We'll do that in the next video.